Hello dear traders, you are watching economic news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. The single European currency stood up fairly when against its American counterpart in late New York trades, and the pair is still holding ground. At the same time, the US dollar extends losses versus most major after the comments made by the Fed's Vice Chair Stanley Fischer. The official said that a few more rate hikes are likely to occur this year. However, the Federal Reserve will take a cautious approach to policy tightening and may lift interest rate less than 4 times predicted earlier due to low inflation rates in the United States. Moreover, the downbeat non-manufacturing PMI report from the ISM released yesterday has put downside pressure on the greenback. Meanwhile, the euro advanced against the US dollar, reaching 1.0860 after the lowest level around 1.0720 as seen on January 6. The main factor driving the euro higher was a fresh batch of economic reports coming from the Eurozone. At large, the latest figures turned out to be quite satisfying, pushing the value of the single European currency upwards. German factory orders and retail sales sent positive signals, printing a month of solid gains, even though some data failed to meet prior estimates. Germany's factory orders report came out better than expected, bringing good news for the participants of financial markets. In November, the indicator added 1.5% gains, the forecast of 0.1% gains. On a year-to-year basis, the country's factory order did not match the expectations. Retail sales climbed by 0.2% in November. Nevertheless, it was a slight disappointment for investors as economists had anticipated a 0.5% rise after a drop by 0.1% posted in the previous reporting period. Retail sales within the Eurozone grew at the slowest pace in November. At the same time, the business climate and economic confidence indicators improved, beating market estimates. According to fresh data from Eurostat, the unemployment rate fell to 10.5% in December from 10.6% booked in November. The number of unemployed Europeans has been decreasing for 3 months in a row. A separate report published this week showed that the annual inflation growth rate in the euro area remained at 0.2% in December, which is significantly lower than the target level set by the European Central Bank. Weak consumer inflation is giving rise to market speculations that the ECB may introduce additional stimulus measures this year, aimed to accelerate price growth and stabilize the European economy. You have watched financial news prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV company. Goodbye.